Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills, where we talk about skills, certifications and much more to help you stand out in your career. And today we are going to talk about top questions to prepare for Selenium interview. Well, preparing for a Selenium interview requires the combination of technical knowledge, practical experience and communication skills. So it is very important for you to review the basics, review coding, know your tools, demonstrate your experience and keep up with the latest developments. So in this video, we will be looking at interview questions one by one followed by their answers. So without any delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Can you explain the difference between implicit wait and explicit wait in Selenium? Well, the answer to this is implicit wait is a type of wait that is applied to all the elements of a web page, whereas explicit wait is applied to specific elements. On one side, implicit wait is set once at the beginning of the script and remains effective throughout the test. On the other side, explicit wait is set for a specific period of time and is applied only to the elements that are specified in that code. With this, we come to question number 2, which is how do you handle dynamic web elements in Selenium? The answer to which is dynamic web elements are elements that change frequently or are generated by website dynamically. Selenium provides several methods to handle dynamic web elements, including using XPath and CSS selectors to locate the element, using explicit wait to wait for the element to be present before interacting with it. Question number 3. Can you explain the page object model or POM in Selenium? The POM is a design pattern that is used in Selenium to make the test scripts more modular and maintainable. In POM, each web page is represented as a class and all the methods and variables related to that page are defined in that class. This helps to reduce cost of duplication and improves the readability as well as maintainability of the test scripts. Question number 4. How do you handle multiple windows in Selenium? Well, Selenium provides a switch to method to handle multiple windows. To switch to a new window, you can use this window method and pass the window handle to the new window as a parameter. To get the window handle of current window, you can use the getWindowHandle method. Question number 5. How do you handle frames in Selenium? The answer to this is to handle frames in Selenium, you can use the switch to method and pass the name or ID of that frame as a parameter. So once you switch to the frame, you can interact with the elements inside the frame using the usual Selenium methods. Question number 6. Can you explain how to handle dropdowns in Selenium? Well, to handle dropdowns in Selenium, you can use the select class, which provides several methods to interact with dropdowns, such as selecting an option by value, index or visible text. You can locate the dropdown using any of the usual Selenium locators such as XPath or CSS selector. Question number 7. How do you handle alerts in Selenium? In order to handle alerts in Selenium, you can use the switch to method and pass the alert object again as a parameter. So once you switch to the alert, you can interact with the buttons on the alert using the usual Selenium methods. You can also use the getText method to get the text displayed on the alert. Question number 8. How do you handle browser cookies in Selenium? Well, to handle browser cookies in Selenium, you can use the getCookies method to get all the cookies currently stored in the browser. You can then manipulate the cookies using addCookies and deleteCookies method to add or delete as per your need. Question number 9. Can you explain how to run Selenium tests in parallel? So, to run Selenium tests in parallel, you can use a testing framework such as TestNG or JUnit, which provides built-in support for parallel execution. You can also use a tool like Selenium Grid, which allows you to run tests in parallel across multiple machines or browsers. And with this, we come to the last question, that is, how do you handle synchronization issues in Selenium? Synchronization issues can occur when the script tries to interact with an element that is not yet available or has not finished loading yet. to handle synchronization issues in Selenium, you can use the explicit wait, which waits for a specific condition to be true before proceeding with the next. So these were the top 10 interview questions for Selenium. So what are you waiting for? Without wasting any time, start your preparation for your Selenium interview with Vskills Selenium certification. All the best.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.